Thanks for tuning into this video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. So today's video is on this look right here. I'm heading into my anniversary weekend. And you know, for us ladies, when we're celebrating anniversaries and special occasions, we like to do a little bit more. We like to zhuzh up just a bit, you know, especially if it's your wedding anniversary. Like, yeah, I'm gonna remind you why you fell in love with me in the first place. So let's get into today's video. Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video, you guys may not know if you haven't seen my latest video, but this weekend coming up is my wedding anniversary. I did a video more recently just about tips for brides and all of that stuff, so I will link that for you. But that was inspired because I'm celebrating my wedding anniversary this coming weekend, and I just was like, oh, I should share, you know, some tips and things that I learned as a bride and the things that, you know, could help someone else and that helped me. But today's video is going to be dedicated to prepping for my anniversary. So I did pick up a couple new products. I'm just prepping my skin right now. I'm putting on some hyaluronic acid, and this is just going to help give my skin some hydration, because I do want to do a different look for me. Most of the time I go for like a soft matte look, but I'm thinking I'm trying to do like a really glowy look. So I want to try that out today, and I figured I would record it so that you guys could see it as well. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm prepping my skin. This is just going to help when I did also use a eye gel, and this is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Gel by Good Molecules, and then I used their hyaluronic acid serum. I really like this. Not really expensive, but I just really feel like the softness in my skin. It feels more hydrated, more plump. And then I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. First one is the Poreless Putty Primer by e.l.f. It's with hydrating squalene, and we're gonna try that out and see how that does. So it comes in like this little packaging, and it looks like this. It reminds me of just like the Benefit Professional. So I'm just gonna put it over, kind of just like rub it in. I really like the way it feels. It feels like I can tell that it's still hydrating, but it's still smoothing as well. My color brows, I haven't really used it a lot with just doing my natural brows, but I think I'm gonna apply this too. So I really like that it's a small applicator, so it really goes in and grips your brows. And some of that anniversary prep is going to be like doing my eyebrows and all those things, but today we're just going to focus on like kind of getting my makeup look down to see if I even like this particular look. And I'm just gonna like press that in to see if I even like the look enough, or you know, like it at all. Not enough, but like it at all. And if I want to wear that for our anniversary festivities. Okay, so another thing that I'm going to use, I did a video on this, and this is the Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I'm going to use a bit of this. And just to give me that lit from within type look. And I'm gonna mix it with my other glow product by ABH, Anastasia. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that product on the back of my hand and blend it in, buff it in with this. And now I'm looking very bronzed and glowy and all that great stuff. Go in with my Hydro Grip and Set Refresh Spray. I'm gonna spray this and then I'm gonna apply my foundation. So for the foundation of choice, of course it's NARS, but I'm using their Light Reflecting Foundation. That's the foundation of today. And this is in the color Marquise. If you're interested, if your complexion is similar to mine. But I'm just gonna pump, maybe do 3 pumps on the back of my hand. And I actually think I'm gonna apply it, then I'm gonna spray. Fresh, dewy, hydrated look. Which again, like trying something a little different. We're gonna see if I absolutely love it or if I'm like, give me my regular schmegular degular. Here are the eyes right now. I don't know how I feel about them, but we're gonna keep going because sometimes like it takes bringing the look all together to get the full essence of it. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. I'm just gonna take this fluffy blending brush, and I had to use this highlighter by Fenty Beauty, this kilowatt highlighter in Trophy Wife, since we are talking about anniversary things. So I am going to use this, and I feel like it's fitting because it goes kind of with my Gives you that bit of razzle dazzle. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna take this kind of like buffing brush and I'm just going to buff it up. Gonna do this blush by MAC. It's in the shade Raisin. And with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, go in with that to kind of like get everything together, like blend it all. So I'm gonna go around the perimeter of my face. Then I'm gonna go on top. Because we want the highlight there. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would really love to have you a part of the Megan Vaughn TV family. Over here, I share lifestyle, I share beauty, and inspirational content. So if that sounds like your thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell and that you're hitting all notifications so that you can be notified each and every time I have a new video go up on the channel. My new videos go up on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 p.m. Eastern time. But if you're like, Megan, it's summertime, I'm outside, I'm doing so much, I'm not gonna remember that. Just hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit all notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. And let me know what you think about this look. Comment down below. I would love to chat with you in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye!